In this video we are going to discuss about creating style guides. A style guide is a set of rules that defines how the user interface should look and behave. It includes elements like colors, fonts, and components to maintain consistency across the product and improve user experience. Key elements of a style guide. It shows the main elements of a UI style guide like colors, typography, components, icons, spacing, and imagery. It helps maintain consistency and improves the overall design and user experience. Color palette. Primary colors define the main brand identity. Secondary support UI elements. Accent highlight actions, buttons. And feedback colors indicate success, error, and warnings. Next, typography. Font family defines the style of text, example, Roboto, used in the design. Font sizes specify different text levels like headings, body, and captions. Font weights control text thickness such as bold, medium, and regular. Line height and spacing improve readability and proper text layout. Iconography. Icons should follow a consistent style like flat, line, filled, or 3D to maintain visual uniformity across the UI. Icons must use standard sizes, example 24px, 32px, to ensure consistency, readability, and proper alignment in the design. Use icons meaningfully, for example, a home icon for navigation and a cart icon for adding items, so users easily understand actions. Buttons and interactive elements. Buttons should include states, default, hover, pressed, disabled. Sizes, small, medium, large. And behaviors, click, swipe, toggle, for better user interaction and feedback. Forms and inputs. Text fields should include placeholder text, labels, and error messages to guide users and show validation clearly. Use checkboxes for multiple selections and radio buttons for single selection, maintaining consistent size and spacing. Drop-downs should have clear options and consistent design behavior to make selection easy and user-friendly. Steps to create a style guide. Step 1 is to audit the existing design by listing all the colors, fonts, and components used in the prototype to understand current design consistency. In Step 2, define the visual language by selecting colors, typography, icons, and spacing rules. This helps create a consistent and clear design style across the product. In Step 3, create UI components in Figma such as buttons, cards, input fields, and drop-downs. Use variants to define different states like hover, active, and disabled for better consistency and usability. In this Step 4, document rules, define clear rules for using colors, fonts, and UI components. This ensures consistency and helps designers follow a standard across the product. In Step 5, share the style guide with your team to ensure consistency across the product. Regularly update it whenever new screens or components are added to keep the design aligned. Conclusion. Creating style guides ensures consistency in design, content, and user experience across a project, making it easier for teams to maintain quality and follow standardized practices. It also improves teamwork and efficiency by providing clear guidelines, reducing confusion, and saving time during development.